Planning for a sensitization or awareness program can be very stressful and overwhelming. In this video, I'm going to put you through all you need to know and how to get started. Firstly, you have to choose a topic from a perceived need and what you know you can handle. Then secondly, you have to notify the school, fixing the time and the date. For mine was on health tips, career choice and sex education. I'm looking at making a full sit-down video on this project because if it's a question of do I have a moment of who sent me work, I have had plenty of it. I feel like I'm rushing. I feel like I'm going ahead of myself. So I'm going to keep the gist. I'll tell you details in case you also, as a couple, you're looking at doing this. Make your expectation not that high because you're going to see something. But I'll not discourage you. So guys, bye for now. I didn't want to post this video initially because it didn't turn out the way I wanted, and secondly my cameraman was cameraing. But I remember the initial reason was to help people like me that wanted to do something but they did not know how to or where to start from, and secondly to keep memories. So I'm going to put the video, after which at the end I'll give you tips. Yeah, because that's what I'm teach mama. Looking at now, like what I call 3 basic components of human being. Because when we talk about living healthy, the next thing everybody thinks of is rest, eating food, and all that. That's a part of it, but that's not all to living healthy. So now let's see it from this aspect. And the basic components are these two: the spirit and the mind. Have you ever been in a situation you are having mood swing, and before you know it, you start feeling sick? But he was still conceiving it in his heart. He didn't even know how to express it. But it was a friend that he spoke to that said, why do you do like this? When you be chief, you be prince. Just do one thing, and he will have at your beck and call. And do you know the funny thing? After he did the same thing, he raped his sister. The Bible showed where that same person, the advisor, was punished. And that was how the entire generation still having problems. So why am I bringing this story? It's very important to start be intentional about people around you. Using bar soap is that when you use bar soap to bathe, most times there's a reason why they make it bar soap and bathing soap. Because one of the components that is missing in bar soap that you have in bathing soap is oil. There's a required oil the skin needs. Another completing issue that will be popping up is which course to study. I remember when we were in school, like, it will be, if they ask you what do you want to study, method, because it sounded huge and sweet in the air. Everybody wanted to study method. But the truth is that everybody won't be doctors and nurses. Everybody won't be engineers, all this lawyer. So, and that doesn't make you less of yourself. One is, you can say that this copper is a very spiritual copper. But one, you need the help of God because He's the one that made you. There's a time I wanted to do food and not do. I never planned doing nothing. Jam was jamming me. I know jam, the more I was writing jam, the more I was reducing. The store was reducing. I never got 200. The second aspect is discovering your hobbies. What do you enjoy doing? Then 3 is meeting people. Meeting people that are higher than you. Explain your fear. When I was in school, I wasn't really, my dad was always covering us, he doesn't allow us to go out. So, like the first time the man approached me, I was surprised. I was like, hey, what did I tell this person? In that rush, I told my friends in school, see, what will you do? And I said, when the man approached you, tell him wrong name, give him wrong number, give Shakara. I said, okay. I felt like I've gathered things. So as I reached there, one day I was not going to break between advice. Then one man followed me. He said, hello, how are you? I think I didn't say hello. Told the person my name is Choma. I was not going. The person was calling Choma. I didn't even remember. So the person I've reached, I said, that means she gave me wrong name. I was so shy. I didn't know what to do again. At this point, when you are having a challenge, are there people around you can reach out to? More of the rest of people ahead of you. Not just this set. You can still get powerful something from your gateway. Yeah. But when you want to get the party, because they don't really know, that's just the truth. And they can tell you the way they want to do. And you know that enter trouble. It's a process. Don't do it because other people are doing it. Choose Valmaggia. Even as you're going to choose your career as an SSG, say, what will you do and you're happy? What will you do and you feel like you teach, you can grow and expand your territory? Remember, people that are doing well now are not really working class people, those in white collar job. Most of them, you see people, top people that have money, it's mostly entrepreneurs. So you can start now and start investing, start thinking, start going and saying, God, what do you want from me? What's your plan for my life?
Nature, outdoors. Which of them are you now? In my own thinking, wise thinking, I would say that you are still a teenager. There are things you must know. And at this stage of your life, if you make a mistake in this aspect of your life, that mistake will remain there forever. How many of you know what sex is all about? Yeah. The essence of this sensitization is to let you know that there are some certain information you must know, provided that philosophy is there. Now, and each of these stages has their reactions. At this level, you begin to have what is called sexual urge. If you are not taught and properly mentored into this reality to know how to manage and handle your sexual urge, it is going to land you into regret and abandonment. Anybody, for those of you into relationship of opposite sex, you are likely not going to achieve your dream. Do you know why? Because by the time you begin to have to engage yourself into sex activities, one, you don't have the knowledge of the consequences, and two, you are likely going to contact what is called STD. Everything has time. This is not time for you to begin to engage yourself into it. Wanted pregnancy, run away from sexual engagement. It will tarnish your goals, it will kill your vision, and it will end you up in regret. Sex is like electric energy. What does electric energy do? It empowers the house, and at the same time, it can do what? Destroy the what? If it is wrongly connected, what will it do? It will burn the house down. If it is rightly connected, what will it do?
It emphasizes you as a person, as your whole, as a woman, as a man. Things you need to know about yourself. Things like, as a woman, that definitely you are going to see ovulation, you are going to see menstruation, you are going to feel like having sex. That's one of the gift God has given us, is the gift of self-control. And one of the things that people have as teenagers is being inquisitive, and it's a beautiful thing, because without being inquisitive of something or wanting to know, you will not go far in life. But aligning what you are really curious to know is the basic. Keep pushing forward. Here is my advice. 1, you need to prepare. Don't rely on residual knowledge alone. Then secondly, for health tips, you can talk on hand washing, grooming, personal hygiene, and mental health. Then for that of sex education, you can talk on, there are many branches. You can talk on contraception, gender, sexuality, abstinence, abortion, or even sexual transmitted disease. Hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a comment or any question, then also like and share. Thank you for watching.